The date is Wednesday, May 24th. I'm Louis Morals, and this is a Market Bull Update. Like a junkie addicted to economic growth, China has had to increase borrowing to get the same high, and the borrowed money is flowing through increasingly murky channels, which has caused ratings agency Moody's to downgrade Chinese debt. China's government disagreed with the downgrade, responding in a statement that Moody's doesn't understand their legal or financial system, which I'm pretty sure is part of the problem. This is the first time China's debt has been downgraded since 1989, though we're not sure what happened back then that could have caused their rating to tank. Uber owes tens of millions of dollars in back pay to New York drivers due to the improper deduction of taxes from their pay, with the ride-sharing company fully admitting that it made the mistake of getting caught. Uber's contract with drivers allows them to deduct a 25% commission, but not taxes, from what drivers are paid. And we couldn't imagine that the sexual harassing, technology stealing, regulation dodging company would ever knowingly underpay employees. In fact, last year CEO Travis Kalanick was caught on film telling a driver to, quote, take responsibility for your own shit, by which he meant to pay the company's tax bill until he can be replaced by a driverless car. While I always thought insider trading on healthcare meant organ harvesting, 5 people associated with the hedge fund Deerfield Management have been accused of insider trading healthcare stocks, allegedly making millions from trades based on confidential information about Medicare and Medicaid policy decisions. Insider information is to hedge funds what free healthcare is to the elderly and poor. If it's out there, they should be allowed to use it. While government officials aren't allowed to receive funds from foreign governments, properties owned by President Trump are not requiring customers who represent foreign nations to identify themselves as such, saying that it would, quote, diminish the guest experience of our brand, unfazed about diminishing the constitutional obligations of the presidency. Guests affiliated with foreign governments can volunteer that information, and we're surprised that liberals aren't applauding Trump for letting people self-identify as they see fit. This has been a Market Bull Update. I'm your host, Louis Morals, reminding you to always put brand experience above integrity.